Guys, what is up? It's Clay with EKNIVES. I am super stoked to bring you this. So this is the new Delta Frag series from Microtech. They had originally called it the Delta Mark II. They've since dropped the Mark II in my latest call with them, and I think it's just going to be the Delta Frag. So this is a really cool, somewhat similar to a Navy Scarab in that, not the frag part obviously, but the handle is ported, holes in the butt of the handle, and then you have a fluted blade to expel water and debris. Really cool. So it's just like the Navy Scarab in that respect. It's all DLC. The handle's anodized, the blade's DLC, the hardware's DLC, and you will notice with the hardware, man, that thing pops when it retracts. You'll notice the hardware is Torx, so it is not the triangle special tool needed hardware that Microtech is famous for, so you can take this sucker apart. It is a signature series and it is pricey. This one is in the 900 range, the Ultratech's in the 700 range, so they are expensive, but it is nickel boron coated on the inside for corrosion resistance, so that's a really important point. But this is a really cool setup, and for you microholics, you're gonna love this sucker. So anyway, this is the Delta Frag series from Microtech. I'm sure they're gonna do other stuff too, but this is what they've got now. We dropped these over the weekend. We didn't have a lot of them, but they went, of course, super quick. Subscribe to our email list in the link above. That's how you'll be notified when we get more of these in, and that's how we're doing these, to be fair to all our customers, because we had a lot of demand and not a whole lot of supply. So anyway, Delta Frag series. It was the Mark II. They've since changed it to Delta Frag. I don't know if they're going to go back to the Mark II. I think they're dropping it completely. Anyway, eknives.com. If you have any questions, call or text me 423-525-9477 and subscribe to our email list and you'll get notified. That's where we do all our new product drops. Thanks, guys.